Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stream SuperSport live right now using safe and legal methods. I will explain how to watch on your phone, computer, and smart TV without using any risky or any kind of other websites. So, first of all, you need to understand that SuperSport is a major sports network that shows football, cricket, rugby, tennis, and more. Because of the broadcast rights, the correct way to watch SuperSport is through the official application and their official website. So you need to first of all come here on supersport.com. Once you are here, you will see this profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on it, simply click on the option of sign in. Now it is going to redirect you here on this particular page where you can sign in with the help of your email address and password. You can also sign in with the help of your Google account, Apple ID, and with the help of your X account. If you don't have a multi-choice ID, you can also create one by clicking on this option. All you need to do here is to simply provide your email address and create a strong password for your account. You can also again continue with these social media accounts as well. So once your account is created successfully, you need to come back here on the home page of SuperSport. Over here on the top, you will see it is going to show you all of the upcoming matches relating to football, rugby, then we have cricket, tennis, golf. So you need to hover over to the match of which you want to watch. After that, simply just click on the championship that is currently going on. Over here, you will see a bunch of different videos and it will also show you the live matches that you can watch here. So on the top, you will see this live now button. You can click on it and you can start broadcasting it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.